Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to use navigation action in OmniScripts. Before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be using that navigate action to navigate to a case record, created case record in Salesforce. So I'm quickly telling about how this OmniScript works. Then I will discuss about the navigate action. So in this OmniScript designer, in this first step, so we have this step element. Under the step element, we have a few key input fields like related to the case, like subject of the case, origin, status, priority field are there. And I have used one data raptor load action, that is a post action as well, means to create the respective case record in Salesforce. So I have already created a separate video regarding how to create that data raptor load. Uh, so you can refer to that video regarding any clarifications on the data mapper load, and I'll be just showing how it's currently working. So we have this data JSON and action debugger. So we can find different kind of like data raptor action debugs log here, and data JSON like OmniScript data we can find it here. Like for example, we have at initial point we have in this create case screen in the step. We have origin, status, and priority. Since these are by default value is there, so it's showing value. Since subject has no value, there is nothing show as a subject in this create case node. If I put something like a test, so it will appear it here. And after filling up these details, I can click on the next. On clicking on next, we can see that this case record got created in the Salesforce, and case record is getting started with 500, and it's under the node, like we are getting the case record ID in this DRID case node. So we can use this as an input for our navigation action. Okay, so for your example, I have, if I open the design, and in the, so this is another step element is there, and in this I have just put this DRID, like this DRID case in a text block. So I have just I need to pass this one in the navigation action. So that is how, let me search for the element. So in the build we can find this navigation action. So if I click on the help text, so it will basically show me all the details regarding the navigation action. So we can open a page, interacts with Salesforce record, then directs user to a standard or custom object page. So these are the different features available with these actions. So we can refer to this regarding any configuration related changes. So I have just put it in the step element under this text block. So I'll be just reducing the size, and let me put the name navigate action case, and providing the label as navigate to get to case, and we'll be using like this success or a brand, and your page reference type should be a case record detail page, so this will be fine. Like this will be a record, and there are a lot of types are available as well, like record, relationship, object, web page. But for our for this session, I'll be using this record as a type, and will not use this checkbox like replace. So this will basically replace the existing page. So if checked, the page reference replaces the existing entry in the browser history, and disable the user from navigating back to the OmniScript. So I'll not keeping this as a checked, and we'll be using the object API name as case, and record action will be like view. There are three options are there, like clone, edit, view. I will be using the view, and in the record ID we need to pass this one. So this needs to be passed as a march syntax, and yeah, we have already configured, we have configured the navigation action properties. So let me test it out, and to test this one we can activate this uh, OmniScript. So without activating, we can't examine our navigation action is working or not. Yeah, our OmniScript is activated now. And from this how to launch action, we can find our respective URL for this OmniScript, and I'll be pasting it into the new tab. And for your information, in the preview section, like if I uh, try to create a test and need to test that navigation action from this preview panel, we can't actually test this out. So on clicking this one, it will not redirect it to the case. So we need to test this out indirectly using that link from the how to launch action. So in here we can test this out like test case. If I click on next, the case got created, and if I click on navigate to case, it is getting navigated to the case record. So this is how we can simply use the navigation action in the OmniScript. Uh, Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my